Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Microsoft Edge, the new Microsoft Edge, is not launching on Mac OS. So in order to fix this problem, first of all go ahead and uninstall the new Edge from your Mac. Now after you uninstall the new Edge, restart your Mac, and after you restart your Mac, then install the Edge from Safari browser. So open Safari browser on your computer, and then you can use this link. The link is provided in the video description, and open this link in a Safari browser. Do not use any other browser. Make sure that you're using Safari browser, and then select the Windows, select your Mac from here, and then click on accept and download, and then run this file, and then install you can go ahead and install the Edge, and then that should go ahead and fix the problem. So just make sure that you install the Edge browser from Safari. So that will go ahead and fix the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.